One of the biggest problems I have when I do a project or assignment that require graphs is making sure the graphs fit on the page. I conduct usability test comparing Microsoft Office Word with Google Docs, and there is a feature with Microsoft Word that I am embarrassed with, and that is extremely user-friendly. One of the biggest problems I have when I do a project or assignment that require graphs is making sure the graphs fit on the page. I always find myself making the font smaller or spelling a table or a graph so that it can fit into page, and doesn't always look the best. One of the features Microsoft Office Word is the ability to change the size of the page so that you can fit a graph for a table of any length onto the page. The user-friendly feature make it easy for the user to make a professional and perfect-looking document, and it reduces a lot of the time spent trying to make graphs fit perfectly on the page. This should only be used for electronic documents because printing can be an issue if you change the page size. First, if you find your graphs will not fit correctly on the standard size page, put your cursor on the first page of your graph. After that, go up to the page layout tab, which is right here, and then click the button that says size. There are many pre-arranged sites such as letter, tabloid, legal, and statement. However, if you need custom size, you can go all the way to the bottom of that drop-down list where it says more paper sizes. After you choose the width and the height that you think you might need, then make sure to go down here to there to drop down and choose this point forward. The reason to choose this point forward is to change the standard size paper, and then put your graph on a custom size page to make them look nice. Click OK, and there will usually be a warning saying that the page margins are outside the printable area of the page. If this document is not meant to be printed, then this is a perfect option. You can determine if your page is the right size for your graphs, and if not, then you can always go back and adjust. If you need to print the document, then you still would need to use the standard size page. This user-friendly option should only be used for documents that will remain electronic. I think all word processing programs should have this feature, so that graphs are easier to make and send electronically. I appreciate this tool and will be using Microsoft Office a lot more for my graphs. Thank you.